Macreat Shandong Machinery Co., Limited, is a group enterprise specializing in the research and development, manufacturing and sales of biomass energy equipment. Its predecessor was Yantai Lida Woodworking Machinery Co., Limited, which was founded in 1960 as a state-owned enterprise. With many years of manufacturing and export experience, our company has successfully developed a full range of biomass-related products. Over 60 years of manufacturing experience provides you with more reliable high-quality equipment. It has more than 30 years of export experience. Up to now, we have more than 50 professional engineers, more than 200 employees at your service. Strong technical force, sophisticated production equipments, advanced testing methods, exquisite technology and management ensure the product's quality. This biomass pellet line can process and granulate high-moisture biological raw materials. The overall production line consists of crushing section, grinding section, drying section, granulation section, cooling section, and packaging section. This production line can achieve fully automated operation, efficient and stable production, and reduce manual intervention. All sections use closed processing and transportation, and the dust removal system can effectively reduce dust pollution in the production workshop. Customized solution with any capacities you need and well guaranteed. Available for all kinds of biomass materials, and turn to high-quality pellets. The products are exported to Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, North America and Africa, highly praised by domestic and foreign customers.